Today we are going to teach you how to throw a straight right punch, or in boxing it is called a cross. So what is a straight punch? Meaning in traditional boxing, before the gloves were invented, boxing used to be bare-handed or there were no gloves. So the basic purpose of a glove is to protect the hands, it's not to protect the opponent's head. So why we do that is because the head or the skull is a much thicker bone than the hand. If you are hitting somebody in the forehead, you are most probably going to break your hands. So how do you do that without breaking your hands? So straight right in today's time, in MMA, in boxing, everything is called, it's not basically a straight right, it's not basically a right straight punch, it is actually called a long right hook. So what is actually a long right hook? So as I say in other videos, you have to stand with your stronger side behind. Meaning my right side is always going to be behind and my left side is always going to be in front. So how do you generate power? When I generate power, I always say you lift your heel, you twist your heel. When you lift and you twist your heel, you are transferring the body weight into the strike. So how do you make a fist? Before throwing a punch, you have to learn how to make a fist. This is the easiest way to make a fist, and you tuck in your thumbs and you should hit with the initial or the first two bones. You can hit with this one also, but if you're hitting on the body, it's fine. If you're hitting on the skull with the smaller two knuckles, you're most probably going to break the hand. So this is how you make a fist. So now how do I throw a punch? Basically, when you're throwing a punch, you're keeping your hands or your elbows close to your ribcage and your hand is close to your neck. So when I'm pushing with my entire body, the punch actually comes like this. It will come straight and then before I hit the target, it will turn. I'll show you once more. When I'm starting the punch, it will come in a diagonal fist, or it's also called as a vertical fist. It's coming straight and just before I'm hitting the target, it's going to twist. So when I'm showing that on a person, the main target which I'm going to hit is the lower part of the jaw. So imagine I'm going to hit him in the side. So my hand is traveling in such a way that it is going to hit the side, and just before I reach the target, I lift my elbow and I turn my entire arm into the punch. This is actually called a long palm down or long horizontal fist hook. In today's world, it is also called a straight right, but it's not actually a straight right because when you see, you have a slight bend in the elbow or there's a slight angle made here. So this is actually a long palms down hook. So when I'm demonstrating it in the fast way, this is how you actually throw a straight right. You can do that in combinations also, meaning with the same punch, you can go 1, 2. Where do you hit actually? The main target is the lower part of the jaw. You can also hit in the center of the chest, also known as solar plexus, or you can hit in the side of the ribcage. If you hit the lower part of the ribcage, most probably going to break because you don't have gloves. Without gloves, if you are punching somebody, it's actually more effective on the body. So this is actually called a straight right punch. Thank you guys for watching.